Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Today's video is what I ate today on a low protein diet. So as usual, I had my first meal at 1 p.m. because I do fast through the morning. On this day, I had done a 3-mile run as my workout because the day before I'd done strength training. So I made a smoothie, and this smoothie had 3 dates. It had 1 ripe banana. It had about 5 or 6 frozen strawberries, and I used 5 frozen ripe bananas. Now these bananas were a little smaller, so if they had been larger bananas, I probably would have used 4 bananas, but since they were smaller, I used 5. Now I freeze my bananas when they're ripe with the peel on, and then I soak them in hot water for about 4 minutes, and then they thaw out and they come right out the peel, and it makes a really good texture and consistency of the smoothies. So that's why I usually freeze them with the peel on and then soak them in the hot water. Also added about a tablespoon or so of cacao powder. I put in some sprinkle of cinnamon, a tablespoon of natural peanut butter, and about a half a cup or so of almond milk. And I got the Plant Strong almond milk. I like that one because it doesn't have any weird gums or some other weird ingredients in it. So I'm starting to get that one now because I get a little lazy to make it myself, which I can do, but I just prefer to buy it from the store or whatever because that way I don't have to make it myself. So the amount of liquid I add will determine how thick the smoothie is. So it's I make it kind of between a nice cream and a smoothie on this one as far as the consistency. And it was really delicious. I definitely recommend trying this one out. Let me know what you think about that. So this was at 1 p.m. Then next up at 5 p.m. I had 3 Sumo Citrus, and these have been really good, and these hold me over until we start getting in the navel oranges, which is in about a month or so. I can't wait for those. At 6 p.m. I put together a salad. It had greens, cucumber, avocado, apple, carrots, and pumpkin seeds, and I put some of the sesame ginger dressing on top, and I did have some prunes on the side as well. Then at 7 p.m. I had stir-fried tofu over rice with some hot sauce on it and a side of these seasoned almonds. And then dessert was some tropical gold pineapple and then one of these blueberry fig bars. That was it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook in the description box below the video. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts. Subscribe for more videos. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.